first session today was all about journalism. Learning about having a positive relationship with the media for the kids is really important. I think it can be such a powerful tool to get messages across. We've seen today the power of the media, and to have that skill, to have the confidence to do that is really important. If they can learn that at a young age, it's only going to make them better going forward.
They talk about body language and how many keys we actually take from people's body language. Subconsciously, you might not even know it, but we're all kind of reading each other's body language all the time. So it's important to be conscious of things like that, I think, when you're being interviewed or asked questions. My 3 big takeaways from today's media session are: 1, try to be authentic; 2, don't speak to things that you're not well versed in; and 3, if you are an interviewer, try to do your homework. I know it makes it a lot more interesting for the interviewee if you can tell that that person's done their homework and has some idea about what the topic is.
Even though your team won, are you looking forward to practicing to get more points next week?
Yeah, it's something I definitely have to work on. I'll work on it a lot more. Hopefully I'll get, my next goal is maybe 4 in a game.
What would you say to the kids at home that are watching tonight?
Go for it. Anything can happen, man.
How'd it feel?
Good. No, scenario could have been a bit better. If I had more than 2 points, then that would have been good.
The more authentic and genuine and honest you can be always plays out. Just like being an athlete, getting really good at being a journalist is about practice, it's about repetition. So if it's something you're interested in, get out there, start practicing, start with your parents at a club level, and build your way up.